Now we have to divide the equation 2 by 1. Okay, so divide equation 2 by 1. So it gives 2 is what? m1 v1 sin theta. So write m1 v1 sin theta. For first equation what? m1 v1 cos theta is equal to, right side we have m2 v by 2 divided by first equation is what? m2 into v. For cancellation, right, cancel that m1 m1, v1 v1 also. Right side is m2 m2 cancel, and v also cancel. Okay, so remaining things we have sin by cos. Okay, sin theta by cos theta is equal to c is divided by 2. So write 1 by 2. Okay, so sin by cos is nothing but tan. Okay, so write tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 is what? 0.5. Then theta is equal to, tan is multiple here, crossing equal become 1 by tan. Then you write tan inverse. So that theta equal to tan inverse of 0.5. So using the table of tan inverse, the value of 0.5 is become 26 degree 33 minutes. So that theta is equal to 26 degree 33 minutes. So we have some table for that angle, finding the tan, sin, cos, the inverses. Okay, so like a logarithm table. Okay, fifth problem. A bullet of mass 20 gram strikes a pendulum of mass 5 kilogram. Okay, pendulum is moving like oscillation like this pendulum. Okay, the center of mass of a pendulum rises a vertical distance of 10 centimeter. Okay, so after hitting that pendulum by the bullet, it will move some distance of 10 centimeter. Okay, if the bullet gets embedded into the pendulum, this means it is attached to the pendulum after hitting that thing. So what is the calculate its initial speed equal to what? So we are defining that velocity of the speed. Okay, so first draw the pendulum. So this is a bomb attached to the string, means it moves this direction. It's called pendulum. Okay, it has a 5 kilogram. Its mass is 5 kilogram. If bullet is firing from the gun, so it's a bullet. Its mass is 20 gram. It's moving with velocity, that is a v. Now hitting on the pendulum, both are move with the same velocity. Okay, is v dash. With the distance traveled by the pendulum is what? 10 centimeter. They are asking what is the final velocity of that both pendulum embedded with the bullet. So we were finding the value of v. Okay, first write the given here mass of the bullet. So write first the bullet thing. For a bullet, its mass is what? m1 is equal to 20 gram. So we have to convert it in a kilogram. Okay, so we write 20 into 10 to minus 3 kilogram, because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 1 gram equal to 10 to minus 3 kilogram. Okay, so write it 10 to minus means what? So 2 means become minus 2. So 2 in 10 to minus 2, 2 in 10 to minus 1, then 0.02. Clear? Writing 2 means is 10 to minus 2. 0.2 means 10 to minus 1. Then 0.02 is correct. Clear? So 0.02 kilogram. Okay, clear? This is the mass of the bullet in a kilogram. Next, the bob. This is the bob. Okay, its mass, that is m2, is equal to 5 kilogram. It's move the distance of 10 centimeter. So write 10 into 10 to minus 2 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter equal to 10 to minus 2 meter. Okay, so what is the velocity of the both? That's v you have to find. Okay, so speed of the bullet before collision. Speed of the bullet before collision taken as a v. Okay, then common velocity common velocity or speed of bullet and pendulum bob is v dash, because the bullet is embedded with the pendulum after hitting it, so both are moving with velocity, so that is v dash. Okay, this is after collision. Okay, so by the law of conservation of linear momentum, by the law of conservation of linear momentum, okay, total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. Okay, so what is the before collision momentum? Is what formula is mass into velocity. So we write m1 is the mass of the bullet, its velocity is v, that is equal to total momentum after means what? So bullet is embedded with the bob, so we write that both mass of the bullet and also mass of the bob, so we write m1 plus m2 is combined, so we smooth the velocity of v dash, so put v dash. Okay, now what is formula for v dash means what? V dash is equal to the multiple divide here, so we will write m1 v by m1 plus m2. Okay, now we have to substitute the value of this thing. So m1 is what? 0.02, so 0.02, okay, into v, we want to find, so put v divided by m1 is what? 0.02 plus m2 is what? 5. So adding these two will get 0.02 into v by 5.02. So making the whole number, we have to use on the left side of the digit, so multiply by 100 divided by 100. We cancel to make a whole number of this thing. So become 2v, become 502. The cancellation will get 1 times here is 2 times, then become 110, 5 times 1. So we have 1 by 251 into v. So 1 by 251 value is 0.004 into v. Otherwise you write 4 into 1, 2, 3. So 10 power minus 3 v. So v dash is equal to what? 4 into 10 power minus 3 v. Okay. Its unit is what? Mass per second. So ms in this one. Okay. Now we have to find the things v also. Okay. So find that initial velocity of the bullet v. Find the initial velocity of the bullet. That is v. Okay. So from the third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, here initial velocity of the thing is 0, so u becomes 0. Then pendulum moving this direction, so we write acceleration due to gravity, a equal to g. Okay, then we want what? V dash, that is for that bullet with the pendulum velocity v dash. Okay, so applying this equation we will get what? V become v dash, so it's called v dash square. So v dash square is equal to u is equal to 0, then 0 square means 0, leave it, then 2, a equal to g, then s. So v dash square equal to 2gs. Okay, now we have to apply that formula for what v dash equal to what? 4 into 10 power 3 v. So substitute here. Okay, we will get, so we have v dash square is equal to 2g into s. Okay, then the formula for v dash in terms of v is equal to what? 4 into 10 power minus 3. this square. So square is equal to 2 into the value of g is what, 9.8. So 9.8. Then s is what, both the pendulum and bullet has moved with some distance, that is what, 10 centimeter. So that is 10 into 10 to the minus 2 meter. Okay, so the square is common for both two things. I forgot to write v here because v dash is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 3 v. So assume v is here. So the square is common for both the 4 10 power minus and also v. So 4 square is 16. So write 16 into 10 power. This power of our is multiple. 3 2s are 6. So put minus 6 into v square is equal to 2 into 19.8 is this 19.6 into 10 power 10 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, so 16 here is multiple, divide here, so that v square is equal to, see 19.6 into 10 is a 196. So 196 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 16 into 10 power minus 6. The cancellation for the fourth table, 4 4s are 14, 4 4s are 16. Here also 16, 36, 4 9s are 36. So v square is equal to 49 by 4 into 10 power, see minus 2 here, minus 6 comes to the numerator with plus 6. So minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. Okay, so we have 49 by 4 into 10 power 4. That is the value of v square. Okay, so square comes as square root, so that v is equal to square root of 49 by 4 into 10 power 4. See, root of 49 is what? We write 7 square. So we write 7 square for 49. 2 square for 4. We write 10 of square of square. Because 2 2s are 4. So all of them making square is to cancel the square root. So we have c square root cancel. We get 7 by 2 into 10 power 2. So sum is what? 3.5. So 3.5 into 10 power 2 is 100. So multiply for this value, we will get 350. So this is V ms inverse 1. That is the speed of the bullet. Okay.